All right, guys, this is our 22 Zenith 3 Blaster Box Break PYT 9. Got the Falcons on here twice. There's a couple teams doubled up here. We'll have to update this list here. Giants, the Falcons. All right, I'll get started. I'll have Warthog update that list. Out of the last break, yeah, I can get that Jacobs for you. Get that list corrected. That's the thing. Sometimes the canceled spots get put on the list, and now with eBay, the way they're doing it, we have to post it on the website, and then we have a purchase on the website. So then double up those. Been kind of hectic, but at least now, until eBay gets in control, all of our spots will be on the website. So they'll be in one place. Empty box number 2. We'll be adding stuff to the website here coming up. Soon we'll be doing breaks from a new location. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. You guys are going to guess the player on the last mem or auto of the break for 20 in credit. Guess the player on the last mem or auto of the break for 20 in credit. Get your guesses in. There's Jimmy Garoppolo, Leonard Williams. There's Tyler Smith. There's a red behind the numbers, Jameson Williams. Rex Burkhead. Daniel Jones. Jalen Tolbert. Z-Stars Cooper Kupp. CJ Mosley. There's our first mem of the break. That is John Mechie for Houston. Rookie Stallions mem. And Texans strike first on our mems. And you guys are guessing player on the last mem or auto, whichever it is. Out of box number 3, Daxton Hill. Drew Booth Jr. Up next after this is our Prism Basketball Mega Box Break. Grab your spots at the top of the page. There's a link. Christian McCaffrey, Robert Quinn, Desmond Ritter on the rookie, Eric Zukanama, Red Zone rookie. Link pinned to the chat under Warthog's pinned message there has the link for the Prism. Matthew Stafford, DK Metcalf, Channing Tindall rookie, Vice President Joe Thomas for the Browns. Last pack. That bounty break, we are down actually to 13 or less spots in there. Dalvin Cook, Tom Brady, Wandale Robinson behind the numbers, Treylon Burks. Yeah, those rookie stallions are nice inserts for sure. Little Mims. Got Washington and Atlanta, you said? Okay. Mac Jones, Jonathan Taylor, Rashad White, Mike Woods, Cordero Patterson, Micah Parsons, Monte Turpin, John Watson, second mem, it feels like here, Antonio Gibson. There's Sam Howell for Washington. It's a turning pro memorabilia, Sam Howell. Jordan Davis, Isaiah Spiller. The Warthog's going to double check the thing, make sure spot wasn't double sold or anything like that. Travis Kelce, Jamar Chase, Cole Strange, Drake Jackson. There's Najee Harris, Alvin Kamara, Velus Jones Jr., Justin Herbert on the Revolution. Our last back out of box number 2. We have Jalen Ramsey, Justin Tucker, Dalvin Cook, and Kyle Hamilton on the rookie wave for Baltimore. All right, here's the last box. Good luck, everybody. Good luck with everyone with their guesses. Kirk Cousins, DK Metcalf, Daxton Hill, Jalen Warren on the no huddle rookie, Tyreek Hill, Deshaun Watson, Andrew Booth Jr., Z Stars, Alvin Kamara, Marcus Mariota. Ooh, looks like we got an auto. Let's just reveal it here. I think it is kind of strange. I didn't know they had contenders autos in Zenith, but we'll take it. Rookie contender ticket out of 23, John Mechie. 7 out of 23. Not really a thing. Awesome auto though. All the back, it looked like a contenders rookie. Nice hit for Houston. Out of 23, 7 out of 23, John Mechie. The third on the auto. He was the guess of the break. There's Desmond Ridder, Channing Tindall. We'll take it. Carson Wentz, Jonathan Taylor, Wandell Robinson, Brees Hall on the red zone rookie. Last 2 packs. Not only is it tenders, but it's number, the 23, that's even better. Patrick Mahomes, Micah Parsons, Rashad White, class president Reggie Bush for the Saints. And our last pack of the break, we have Deontay Johnson, Peace Brown, Devontae Turpin, and Thunder and Lightning, Desmond Ridder and Kyle Pitts for Atlanta. All right, let's do our recap. Got the no huddle Jalen Warren rookie, Thunder and Lightning Ridder and Pitts, Deshaun Watson Z team, turning pro mem Sam Howell, Justin Herbert Revolution, a red behind the numbers Jameson Williams, Rookie Stallions mem of John Mechie for Houston. And then we get a John Mechie Contenders rookie ticket auto. 7 out of 23 going to the Houston spot as well. Houston had a nice break in this one. That does it. The Contenders auto in a Zenith break. Right, guys. Up next is, what is up? Oh, the Prism Megas. The 2-box NBA Prism Megas. Grab your spots in those breaks. Coming up. Get the link pulled up for that.